gonna start taking these apart so I can cut them, shorten them, and weld them back up. We're not gonna be using the lower control arms. I'm not gonna be extending these for a while. It's just too much alignment adjustment for me to deal with at the moment. But I think I will be shortening the knuckle. So we are going to do that, and then we are going to shorten this. Well, I can't fucking see anything. God damn. Yeah, shortening from here to here. It's about 30-something millimeters, something like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and take these ugly ass shields off. There's the 10 mil. And get to the nuts right here. You just work them off. But I'm gonna go ahead and do all that and get these ready. So here it is. They're all done. These are shortened an inch and a half. I was gonna do a little bit more, but I decided not to. Here's the amount cut out. Like, and they're pretty even. Here's the other side. They're labeled right and left on the spindles. It's pretty cool. Right. Yeah. I mean, I was gonna weld a plate on here to make these extra strong, but after I welded it, I was like, no, that's probably pretty good. And then I did the knuckles too. Well, we call them knuckles 240s, but these are just like little knuckle ball joints on Toyotas. So these are pretty high up. They actually go up like that. So I left it at an angle, but I cut about 1 inch off of it too. So it's gonna turn pretty good, hopefully. And I can use all my stock tie rods and tie rod ends. This one's the same. But yeah, I can't use this setup with what's on the car because it has IS300 knuckles, ES300 inner and outer tie rods. We're going back to all GS parts. This is GS, this is GS, this is GS. And then I can't run my big brakes yet because I don't have the spacers that go in here. So pretty much half of this is going to go in here to be a spacer so I can run the big brakes. And they're over there. But yeah, these are looking pretty good. I mean, I'm excited to put them on. I'll probably paint them some color, like black or blue or something. I need to get some studs. They're like $20 on eBay. Snatch some of the studs up, and then yeah, these will be good to go. I was gonna extend these, but I decided I don't want to because then I'd have to get longer tie rods or find longer tie rods, and I don't know what to run. So we're not gonna do that, and we're just gonna get the well, actually I got spacers over there already. Yeah, over there, right on the edge of the table. But yeah, hopefully I put these on right. I can't even fucking tell. But yeah, it's about done.